What's going on YouTube? Welcome to Viso's Travel. My name is Rafael, and if you like anything travel, please like, share, subscribe, and please click that bell notification. Today we're going back in time, going back to July 16th of 2010. I just found this footage. This is from our first ever cruise. This is a Disney cruise and on the Disney Wonder, and you're gonna check it out right after this.
Okay, here we are. We just got into our room on our Disney cruise, and the girls are exploring the room. What do you guys think?
Good.
Good. That's your bed.
That is your bed, actually.
That's your bed.
This is my bed, and you will not. The couches are our bed.
So, what else is in this room? Have you looked around? You looked out the window?
Look out the window.
I looked out the window.
Oh, what's in there?
Ooh, a fridge.
It's a refrigerator.
A little fridgey.
Look, and there's ice.
Uh-huh.
Oh.
What else have you found, Megan?
Refer to the personal navigator for hours of availability.
Table.
Nothing in here.
What's in here?
Oh, blankets.
Ooh, a blanket and a pillow.
Ooh.
Oceaneers Club. And
Look, girls.
What is that? Oh, little cabinet. You might be able, I think Megan could actually sleep in here, Rafi. We'd have more room.
Yeah, that'd be great.
Where can I do laundry?
Ashley, can you sleep in there?
Look on board. Coin laundry facilities are
There was a
located
blanket
decks
in
2,
here. I would be
6,
more
and
cozy.
7.
If there's a blanket, we'll get you a blanket. Just kidding.
Clean bag.
Hey, Ashley, come look at this.
Ashley,
Ask your
what's
Watch
this?
Poppy.
assistance in
What's
locating
this? Okay, Megan,
The
move.
shore excursion desk.
Are you ready?
the shore excursion desk. Located
Are you ready?
3 midship is where you can get details about available shore excursions, booking shore excursions.
Ah,
Happy do
How
that.
about that?
there's
Can't
your
sleep
bed.
in this bed.
Uh-huh. You guys are going to sleep over there.
How come you get
Why
to
are the
sleep
ship
over
shops
there?
on board?
Because we're the grown-ups.
We are required by local authorities to close our shops.
Can you help me
The
put
only
it up?
exception to this
No.
is Nassau.
Ashley.
Special permission to open our shops
Hey, this is really cool.
only.
When I say make your bed, all you have to do is flip it up. Don't you wish it was that easy at home?
Do I need to bring my passport with me?
Ashley, make your bed.
Each port of call.
A photo ID, not necessarily a passport, is required.
I'm sitting on the table. Make the bed.
Okay, Megan, make your bed.
Okay.
Megan and Ashley, make your bed.
Make your bed.
Is
Come on.
much needed on shore excursions?
Come on.
Yes,
Push.
carry a nominal amount of
Thank
Yeah.
you. Thanks for making your bed, Megan.
purchase a meal.
But where are we going to go to the bathroom?
And credit cards.
Yeah, I don't think there's a bathroom here.
Taking your
Megan's like, oh, I'm going to find it.
Is there another
Is it
bathroom?
tiny? Ooh, it's pretty.
Hey,
Where's the bathroom?
we gotta go. There's not a bathroom. There's not.
Megan,
no
what are you going to
toilet?
do? Maybe you have to go in the sink.
No, you don't. Mommy, can I play?
Stairs here for.
Ashley, look at the bathroom.
Whoa, we get to
Hang on one
step
second.
it.
Ashley, hang on 1 second, Rafi. Where's the toilet?
The toilet. It's gone.
What are we going to do? What are we going to do? Look at the tiny little tub. Oh, it's so cute.
Where's the bathroom?
What are we going to do?
Oh, I'll find it.
It's locked.
Oh,
It's in here.
there it
It's in a
is.
different room. Why is it in a different room?
I guess because if some people
What's this?
are going to the potty, some people can take a bath. It's a hair dryer.
Oh, there is a bathroom. Oh, I thought I had to go down the window.
This is cool.
What's this?
That's the safe. Remember, like we had a safe in the other?
Oh, you know.
There's our life jackets up there.
Ooh, what's in here? I'm
Bye.
We're gonna be counting.
But locked.
I wonder if they're gonna do like a.
Water glasses, a little table. Nope.
Hey.
What's in there?
I guess we'll go to another room.
Answer some of your questions.
If you have.
Please check your personal
In here.
There is another.
contact guest services if
Oh,
you
but
still
we
have
can't
further questions.
open that.
No.
And enjoy
Well,
the
would they
rest of your
open it
Disney
for you?
Cruise Line vacation.
Well, I don't know if.
Let's go. Mind that. Okay, this time you count. You're counting, Mommy and Poppy.
What?
Count.
Count
1,
what?
2, 3, 4,
Close
5,
your eyes.
6, 7, 8,
I'll
9.
tell you where to count. Like this. We're playing hide and seek.
Oh, I'm gonna close my eyes.
Oh, okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
5,
6, 7, 8,
8,
9, 10.
10.
Ready or not?
Here I
Here we come.
Home private island was originally discovered by three explorers who were searching for fame and fortune.
No.
Found instead
Fit in
the
there.
incredible
Oh,
tropical
there's some outlets,
where the
finally.
beauty of Mother Nature meets the magic of Viso.
Okay, it's made down here. Just give me a little more on that starboard lower. Snug it up. That's beautiful, man. That's beautiful. Oh, hey.
You say your mom, you were gonna call them here?
I didn't bring my phone. Well, yeah, I guess. Hey, didn't they say we could go get something to eat? Let's
Yes.
go.
Okay, let's go get something to eat.
We're such mean parents.
Ashley, can you help me out of here? Hello? I can't get out of here, Ashley. Mommy!
Boo!
That wasn't hide and seek.
Aw. What do you guys think of the room? It's awesome, right?
Oh, it's not awesome.
There's a lot more room than I thought there was gonna be.
And you know what, Rose? There's another bed hidden in here. Yeah. See that handle over there on top? But no, we cannot put it.
It's
because
locked.
That's when we have more people in the room.
Yeah.
But if you pull down, there's another bed.
Isn't that cool? Well, we can't. It's.
It's locked, baby. It's locked.
It's
I
locked.
want to see.
What are you doing? How did you know that did that?
I saw it when I was hiding over there.
Yes, but you do not stand up in here. This is not.
I'm not.
This is
That's
not safe.
amazing that she figured that out. Ashley, look at me. That's pretty cool.
Wow.
Let's see it, right?
Would you have done that, Rafi?
No.
Would you? I would not have ever figured that out. I never would have seen that.
Now how it goes down though? Push it all the way up.
We'll figure it out. That is hilarious.
Let me see.
So, are you guys hungry?
Yeah.
You want to go get?
No.
You don't want to go check out the rest of the boat?
Ooh. There's something.
We're gonna check out the rest of the boat.
There's
Megan, say bye.
something funny
That's just filling. baby.
Megan, say bye.
Bye.
Look at me. Blow kisses.
Hi.
Say hi, bye.
Hi, bye.
Mwah. Ashley, hi, bye.
Hi.
Well, I hope you enjoyed a little room tour of the Disney Wonder. Just remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget, life is short, travel more.